Good evening. Now we will see second problem of the test. Find out moment of resistance of a beam 230 mm wide and 460 mm deep. Effective depth is given 4 bars of 20 mm diameter on tension side and 2 bars of 16 mm diameter on compression side. Use M20 and Fe415. Now we have to go this problem. So doubly reinforced, we have to find moment of resistance. So we have to go steps and we have to find first trial for the stress in compression bar. So we have this will be 230 millimeter and then we have this will be 460 millimeters. Now we have Cu that is equal to Tu. We have to use same. Now we have to assume value of Ku as 0.3. Now steps 0.3. Then we have to find AST1. We have AST1 equal to 0.36 FCK Ku into D into B upon 0.87 into Fy. So now we will put this value. So we have 0.36 FCK, Ku we have 0.3, D we have 460, and B we have 230. Divided by 0.87 and Fy is 415. From this we will get value of AST1 632.95. 632.95 millimeter square. Then find value of AST minus ASC. So AST we have 4 bars of 20 square minus 2 bars of 16 square. If you will calculate these values, so we have 1, 2, 5, 6, which is of 4 bars 20 minus 2 bars 16, 402.12, 854.52. So we have 854.52 millimeter square. And then you go for first trial Ku1 equal to Ku into AST minus ASC upon AST1. And then you put, we have Ku1 is equal to Ku, we have 0.3. AST minus ASC 854.52 divided by 632.95. And substituting these values after calculating, we will get value as 0.41. From this you find first trial that is of XU. So we have Ku1 into D, 0.41, correct, into D we have 460. And we have this value equal to 188.6 millimeters. From this, we will find value of epsilon SC, which is equal to 0.0035 in bracket 1 minus dc upon xu, because we have to assume FSC. So we have 0.0035 in bracket 1 minus DC we have 50 and XU we got as 188.6. From this, we got value of epsilon SC 0.00257. Now, if we will go to the table, then we have epsilon SC and FSC. Now, epsilon SC 0.00241. Against this, FSC is 342.8. Then we have 0.00276. Against this, we have 351.8. We require value for 257. So if you will see, so 257. So we can tentatively consider instead of interpolation value. So we can consider assume FSC, or you can interpolate, but I have assumed it as 347 Newton per mm square, near about center. 257 and then 276. So accordingly, you can consider 345. So likewise, instead of going for your interpolation, because this value we are going to assume, and then we are going to use the formula that is, we have formula that is Cu1 equal to 1 minute. So plain half. So we have formula Cu1 plus Cu2, which is equal to Tu. Now Cu1 we have 0.36 FCK XU into B plus Cu2, this is due to compression steel FSC ASC, and that is equal to 0.87 FYAST. Now we will put values of this. So we have 0.36 into 20. So 0.36 FCK XU we have to find, into B we have 230 plus FSC we have assumed 347. ASC is 402.12, which is equal to 0.87 into Fy into AST we have 1256.64. And from this, we will get value of XU that is equal to 189.72 millimeters. From this, we will find epsilon SC, which will be equal to 0.0035 in bracket 1 minus DC we have 50, XU is 189.72, and from this we will get value 0.00257. So we have 0.00257. So just a minute, I will calculate once again. So 50 divided by 189.72 into 0.0035. Yes. 0.00257, or we can write 8. That doesn't matter. And from this we can find epsilon SC, because now we have same values, and FSC we have 0.00241, 342.8, and 00276 we have 351.8. Now you have to calculate value. Now you cannot take directly. So we have 342.8 plus 351.8 minus 342.8 divided by 0.00276 minus 0.00241 multiplied by 0.00258 minus the 0.00241. And then you solve this value, you will get FSC, that is 346.91 millimeters square. And we have assumed 347, so it's okay. And now we can find MR, 0.36 FCKXU into B, D minus 0.42 XU plus FSC into ASC, D minus DC. And now substitute the values. We have 0.36 FCK, XU is 189.72, B is 230, D we have 460 minus 0.42 into 189.72 plus FSC we have 346.91, ASC we have 402.12, D we have 460, DC we have 50. And when you saw this, so we have value 119.48, 119.48 into 10 raised to 6 plus 57.19 into 10 raised to 6, which is equal to 176.67 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. We will have MR equal to 176.67 kilonewton meter. So likewise, we have to find these values. So that actually we have to check, this should be less than 0.48 into 460. And therefore we have section is under reinforced. This is important actually. Section is under reinforced. So likewise, we have to solve the problems. So now we will stop here only. Thank you.